The most hazardous substance on Earth is water. The annual death rate from contaminated drinking water exceeds 10 million people. Death from natural disaster is often simply the result of damaged water systems, as disease spreads by waterborne bacteria, parasites, and viruses. In the time it takes to repair these water systems, precious lives are lost. But now there is a new, simple means of rapidly delivering life-saving fluids to victims of natural disasters and displaced populations. It's called HydroPack, a filter system that requires no power, has no moving parts, and is simple enough for children to use. When the HydroPack is placed in a contaminated water source, the nutrient powder inside acts as an osmotic pump, drawing water through its unique forward osmosis membrane. Within a few hours, the HydroPack is full, with nearly 2 liters of a life-saving nutrient drink or an oral rehydration solution.
Oral rehydration solution has really been the key element of a strategy that has saved lives in third world nations. The reason why it's so effective is it's not just delivering hydration and the fluid replacement, but it's also delivering the key elements, the sodium, the chloride, the sugar, the elements that all of us need and are in our blood normally.
So what we developed using our membrane technology was a forward osmosis bag, which can be thrown into any source of contaminated water to produce a safe drink with nutritional supplements. So the bag is filled by osmosis. The osmotic pressure that's created by the powder, the nutrient powder, which when it wets becomes a syrup, pulls water into the bag, and the bag fills. This particular bag would be a couple of liters of safe drink that would provide nutrition and hydration to a victim of a natural disaster or a terrorist attack. Contaminants such as biological pathogens would be rejected by the membrane that has capabilities of rejecting even most dissolved solids.
Reverse osmosis membranes have been used for 40 years to produce clean drinking water. The HydroPack membrane has the same filtration properties as reverse osmosis membranes. This process of osmosis is the same process that trees use to pull water in from the soil. There is a membrane in the root of a tree that lets water pass but does not let the sugar and the sap pass into the soil.
HydroPack offers the same purity as reverse osmosis systems, with the advantage that no power or maintenance is needed and no technician is required in the field.
In the work that I do, I require 100% pure water. In order to get that, I run it through a series of membrane filters. It's somewhat of a complex system that would not be feasible to take out to the field.
HydroPack is also very lightweight, so transport costs and distribution issues are greatly minimized.